You may have created a template whereby when you click on a category in your loop grid, could be for your post, your products, or a custom post type, it takes you to a page like search results or post archive. So when I click parent B, it takes me to a template or another page whereby it now focuses on that. Now, to get this to work, you do have to set this to be current query, but here's the big problem when you do current query. So this is my dummy template for where the results will be shown. And when you go down to query over here, it says current query, but do you notice we've lost the order by functionality? If I was to go and change that to be, say, post, we're going to have the facility to go and sort it by date or order it by other items as well. I didn't say, why did I say date? You want to order it by date, title, and things down here. If you were to pick products, again, you're going to get the same thing. You can go and modify that. However, the minute you go for current query, and if you do have like a blog page and then you want to give the facility whereby if say you had shop and then you got the category for t-shirts. So when they click t-shirts, you want it to go to another page that's going to show you just the t-shirts, which is what it would do. But then you can't order it. What if you want to order it by the date they were created? What if you want to order it by like the name or the title? You completely lose that. It's actually quite easy to do if you kind of know what you need to do. So here's the first thing you need to do. You need to create a query ID. And we're going to go and stick in one here called custom order. Okay, if you want to put a hyphen in there, you can do, okay? But that is called custom order. Make sure you make a note of that. Then you want to add a snippet using the free code snippets plugin that you can get from the WordPress repository. I mean, that should be a staple plugin you have on every WordPress website anyway. So what you then want to do is go and drop this in, and a link to this is in the video description. You can see here, Elementor query custom order. So make sure you pop the same name in. And then you go and decide what you want to sort it by. I've gone and chosen to order by the date, and I want it in ascending order. If you want it in descending order, you would go and obviously change the wording over there. If you don't want to do it by date and you want to do it by menu order, or you want to do it by title, you can do that. There's probably other items as well that you could do, but this is the starter for 10 because you lose this facility. I really think this should be built in to the Elementor loop grid. When you pick the current query, it should already have this there. I shouldn't have to do a snippet, but look, if you're struggling with it, this will now sort you out. So what you do is you go and save changes, go in here, activate. And if we go back to my original page, this is what it was showing. Notice the dates are in descending order. In the snippet, I've set it to be in ascending order. Let's see if it does that. So when we go back to my blog page, if I hit this now, remember it was going in August to July or June. Now it's going from June and it's going up. And I've even put in the timestamps there so you could see that it definitely is working. So that snippet is going to allow you to have control again over your current query because you don't get it by default. But now you have got it. Hey, I'm Imran, Web Squadron. Check out our $1 business packs. The link is in the video description. I hope you like, subscribe, share, and follow. I'll see you soon.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life, I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings.